Do you know a Mackintosh, or a Mackintosh, or a Mackintosh? It is yet another surname that Gaelic has given us. So as a reminder, Mac translates to son in Gaelic. A surname like MacArthur then explains itself, son of Arthur. So does that mean Mackintosh is son of Intosh? No. The surname comes to us from the Gaelic MacIntosh, which translates to son of the leader or son of the chief. The earliest records we have of this surname come to us from about 500 years ago, which traces the name back to Sheikh Macduff, who was a 12th century constable of Inverness Castle. A son of Sheikh then assumed the name MacIntosh, son of the chief. Over the years, that surname was shortened to Mackintosh, and thus began Clan Mackintosh. Where are Clash of Clans to sponsor this series? If that word Toshi looks familiar to anyone watching in Ireland or with an interest in global politics, you'll notice its similarity to Taoiseach, which is the name given to the head of the Irish government, currently this guy. And because of Scottish Gaelic and Irish or Gaelic's shared linguistic roots, Taoiseach also means chieftain or leader. Inchinoch. Hodgo Baroch Animan, no Achican, no Andachuch. Tabalev. And the fit for this video has been the album Out of Control by Gideon.